Welcome to our How to Slimline Track video. Every system starts off with track, so press pause any time so you can review the following pages carefully. Installation's a handyman job, but these are the tools you're required to install it yourself. Here are some things to consider before installation, or press the link below for full Slimline instructions. So the first step is to install the wall anchors. For plasterboard walls, use the stud finder or tap lightly on the wall with the heel of your hand and mark the centre of the stud with a pencil. Hold the wall anchor against the ceiling or cornice with the wings pointing upward in the centre of the stud wherever possible. Insert an 8-gauge screw into the wall anchor hole and tap it with a hammer to mark position. Again, for plasterboard walls, drill a pilot hole using a 3mm drill bit. If there are no studs, enlarge the holes to 6mm and insert a plasterboard wall-made type fitting into the hole. You can buy these at Bunnings or any good hardware store. Please note that it's extremely important to screw into as many wall studs as possible. If you have masonry walls, use a 4mm drill bit and drill to a depth of 40mm, then enlarge the hole to 6mm. Insert a 6mm wall plug into the hole until it is flush with the wall surface. Whether you have plasterboard or masonry walls, you can now secure the wall anchors to the walls using 38 by 8 gauge screws. The final step is to secure your track to the wall anchors. Make sure the ends of the track are square using a small file, and hold the track in place exactly where you require it and snap it onto the wall anchors with the heel of your hand. You can now fit the optional end caps with the curved end facing downwards, and that's it. You are now ready to install your hangers and hooks. Follow the links below and see videos 2 and 3 to show you how.